Fox here. I'm a different spot today. I'm up at the Waterloo Central Railway in St. Jacobs, Ontario. And what we're doing is we're working on 6148. And we're working on it all day. And we got this engine here up and running, or not running, we got it spinning. So we have air put onto it and we were able to get it to spin and pre-lubed, and we changed all the filters. So we have new fuel filters, new water filters, new main engine oil filters, new bypass filters. We still need to change the transmission oil filter, but that's okay. But this is huge. So we have that done out here, and it's up and spinning now. I don't think there's enough air in it. So goes to show you there that it quite possibly is going to start. We've put some fuel in the car. We need a bit more fuel, and then we can prime it. And the only other thing that's going on is we're gonna have to jump this car from this locomotive probably. And what we're going to do is we're gonna jump it, and we're gonna do what I've done before, where the batteries are down halfway down the walkway there. So we'll run a cable down across and into here, right into the negative and positive bus. We'll go right to it, and then that way it'll liven it up. And then when we get batteries, we won't need to do that, but for the test we can do that for sure. And we need to replace an event recorder. We already replaced this engine control module, and that's a big thing. Those are just about unattainable right now, but we were able to get that one. So this one had that one missing, so we were able to get that. And everything else in this car seems to be okay. The other thing we did was there was a fan on the roof which had a problem, so we had to, Greg McDonnell and myself were up there, and we were able to unseize the fan, cooling fan, so we were able to get that done. So yeah, it's happening. It's getting there. So we're doing our thing. Anyway, a little bit more today of what's going on. We're just gonna move this engine cover, put it away, and yeah, we'll do a bit more. What do you think, Matt?
I think we're in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think we'll have this running.
Yeah, I agree with you with that.
Yeah.
So next little bit, I think we'll do very well with it. Right on. We'll talk to you later.